Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we are going to solve a very important problem from Module 3 which is based on superconductivity. So the question is, a superconducting wire of radius 0.25 mm carries a persistent current in a magnetic field of 0.05 Tesla. Calculate the critical current. So in this question, we have to calculate the critical current. So first we write the expression to solve this problem, which is AC equals to IC by 2 pi R. So first we understand the statement of this expression. This expression tells the magnetic field intensity, which is nothing but Hc. This is our magnetic field intensity at the surface of cylindrical wire of radius r carrying a critical current, which is nothing but Ic. This is our critical current is given by the Ampere law. So this is the expression which is given by the Ampere law. So now our critical current equals to Hc into 2 pi r. This is for calculation the critical current. Now in the problem, it provides the magnetic field which is Bc. This is our magnetic field which is 0.05 T. So we use the consecutive relation to finding, because in the question it is given here which is AC is nothing but magnetic field intensity, but in the question it is given BC which is our magnetic field. So now we have to convert this relation. So BC equals to mu naught into HC. HC equal to BC by mu naught. So this is the value of HC. To put in the values to calculate the critical current we have to find in this question. So now put the value of HC in this formula. It will get IC equals to BC upon mu naught into 2 pi r. This is the actual relationship. Now we will write the data which is given in this question. So what is the value of r here, which is nothing but r equal to 0.25 mm. So now convert this into the meter, which is 0.25 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. This is the value of r, is nothing but the radius of the wire. Now what is our critical magnetic field, which is nothing but BC equals to 0.05 Tesla. And we have to remember one more thing. In this, what is the value of mu naught, which is nothing but the permeability of the free space. This is permeability of free space. This is a constant value, you should remember, otherwise it will given in the formula book which will be provided in the examination, which is 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 Tesla meter per ampere. This is the constant value. So now put all the values in this formula to get the critical current. So our critical current formula become 2 pi r BC by mu naught. Now put all the values in this formula. So critical current equals to 2 pi, r value is 0.25 into 10 to the power minus 3, and our BC value is 0.05 divided by, this is value is 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7. So here pi cancel out, this cancel out 2 times. So IC equal to 0.25 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 0.05 divided by 2 into 10 to the power minus 7. So now IC equal to, when you remove the decimal, this become 25 into 10 to the power minus 3 into, when you remove the decimal, it become 5 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 into, this is 100 into, this is also 100. So this is 4 times and this is again 2 times. So IC equals to, this become 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 4 2 8, and this is 8 to 16. It become 160 into 10 to the power minus 7. So IC equals to 10 to the power minus 3 divided by, this become 16 into 10 to the power minus 6, because when you remove 1 0 here, it will add 1. That's why this is minus 10 to the power minus 6 is there. So IC equals to, this is nothing but 1 into 10 to the power minus 3, and this become into 10 to the power 6 divided by 16. So IC equals to, this become 10 to the power 3 by 16. So 1 into 10 to the power 3 by 16. When you divide 1 by 16, you will get IC equals to 0.0 625 into 10 to the power 3. So now when you shift to decimal to 1 this side, you will get 0.625 into 10 to the power 2. This is nothing but the IC equals to 62.5 ampere. So this is our correct answer. So like that you have to solve in the examination. If you want these notes, the link of the Telegram channel is given in the description box. You go and check it from there. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.